Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure FlutterFlow to build an e-commerce prototype detailed guide step by step clearly. Open FlutterFlow and create a new project by selecting the appropriate options. Choose the blank app template to start from scratch. In the project settings, enter your app's name and specify the platform, either iOS or Android. Once your project is created, familiarize yourself with the user interface. Navigate to the widget tree on the left side to begin building your e-commerce layout. Start by dragging a column widget from the widget panel onto the canvas for a vertical arrangement. Inside the column, add a container widget to serve as your app's header. Within this container, place a text widget to display your e-commerce brand name. Customize the text by changing its font size, weight, and color in the Properties panel. Next, drag another container widget below the header for the main content section. Inside this container, add a list view widget to showcase your products in a scrollable format. With the list view selected, create a custom product card by dragging a card widget into it. Inside the card, incorporate an image widget to display product images. Below the image, add a text widget for the product name. Add another text widget to showcase the product price, ensuring it contrasts well with the background. For each product card, apply padding to enhance visual spacing. Next, create a footer by dragging another container at the bottom of the column. In the footer, add a row widget to align buttons for adding items to a cart or navigating to the checkout. Utilize elevated button widgets for interactive elements like Add to Cart and View Cart. Customize each button's text and color in the To build the navigation, add a bottom navigation bar by dragging a bottom navigation bar widget to your project. Configure it with icons and labels that represent different app sections, such as Home, Categories, and Cart. Next, set up user authentication for your e-commerce app by navigating to the Authentication section in FlutterFlow. Select the type of authentication you would like to implement, such as email/password or social media logins. Follow the prompts to configure the necessary API keys and user database settings. To enable payment processing, integrate a payment gateway within the project settings. Choose a payment processor compatible with FlutterFlow, such as Stripe or PayPal. Complete the integration by providing the required account details and API keys. Once your prototype is built, test the app's functionality using the preview mode. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.